Okay, so let's quickly talk about Autographic View. So let's say you've been working in a perspective view all along and you just want to look at things in an Autographic View, or maybe you just want to render something in a given Autographic View. So how you can get that done is you click on the little eye icon here, click on views, and now you can just click on back and you can see the back. You can click here to see the front, you can click here to see the top view, and you can just jump back here to see the perspective. And for maybe any reason you want to go ahead and play with how your camera looks, you can do that by coming down to this part of the UI, click here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create image, click on the first image. Now having this image selected, I can click on more and change the camera setting depending on what I want to get. So now our field of view is at 90. I can choose to drag it a little bit closer, say maybe something like 50. It also gives you room to type this in, and then after typing this in, I can now zoom all the way out. Now with a feature like this, you can get stuff looking way better. And also other stuff that has been added into the new version of TwinMotion is the perspective correction, which means that right now we don't have perspective correction turned on, but once we click here, it turns on. You might see it a little, there's just this slight difference from a certain angle, but I guess from an angle like this, it is worth mentioning. I think this angle was better. I think it's worth mentioning that it makes a huge difference. You know, so previously what I do is I just pick the field of view and change it to what I want it to look like, and then I am good with it. But this is nice. And also they've also added the vignetting, which means you can now go ahead and start adding those eye candy stuff to your scene and making them look all stylized and stuff. So that's how you play with the camera. And all the stuff that you can do with the camera here is you can change the depth of field, which means that you can actually get a distance of what you want. So I'm just going to go over here and let's believe that we want to focus on this dude. Okay, so I'm just going to go back all the way here, 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 and then so if I bring this all the way down and turn the radius just a little bit lower, we have a sort of dramatic feel that comes with it. Yeah, and you can actually play with it vice versa depending on what you want. You can actually have a far blur and you can have a close-up blur as well. So like I'm pushing this all the way up and the blur is becoming way more, and if I push this all the way up, because I don't have a close-up blur, which is a near blur, we don't get to see it. I mean, you can see what it looks like with the icon there. Other fun stuff with the camera is you can also go ahead and play with the gradient that comes with it. So let's say you want it to be a bit more contrasty, or maybe you want it to be a bit more saturated. You can do all of these. Hi, before you click the next video on the top right corner of the screen, if you like what you've just seen, click on the like button and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you get updates next time we upload a new video.